Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Gnosis Safe owners and threshold settings, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Gnosis Safe owners and threshold settings, first, ensure you have access to the wallet. Begin by opening the Gnosis Safe application on your device. Navigate to the Settings section of your Gnosis Safe. Locate the Owners tab within the settings. Here, you will see the current list of owners associated with the safe. To add or restore owners, click on the Add Owner button. Enter the Ethereum address of the owner you wish to add. Make sure to specify the ownership percentage they will have. After entering the details, confirm the addition of the new owner. Next, locate the threshold settings within the same section. The threshold determines how many owners must approve a transaction. Decide on the new threshold value based on your preferred security level. Ensure that the threshold number does not exceed the total number of owners. Once you have selected the new threshold, proceed to confirm your changes. The application may prompt you to sign the transaction with your wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the signing process. After signing, review the summary of changes to ensure accuracy. Finally, submit the transaction to update the Gnosis Safe settings. Wait for confirmation that the changes have been successfully applied. Your Gnosis Safe owners and threshold settings are now restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.